Hello YouTube. Just wanted to put a quick video together tonight about how I find these mines using LIDAR. There's a certain pattern I look for when trying to find stuff. And that pattern is right here. You have a hole and you have a bank. So it's like just like an elongated slot where one is going down, the other one's coming up. So that's how I know that that's a slope. That's how I find that with LIDAR. This is the spot that Chris and I were just at on what was that, Sunday? Yeah, on Sunday. Now there's another target in this area which has the same characteristic as what I look for when trying to find mines, and it's definitely on my radar for an explorer. It's not as big as this one where I have the mouse pointer, but it shares the same characteristic as to what I'm looking for when trying to find slopes, old slopes. If we zoom in right here, what do we have? We have that same characteristic where you got the hole and you got the bank. I said, again, using LIDAR. So this is what I look for when trying to find mines. And then there's also some reinforcement on this image to make me further believe it's a mine, because you see this little dot that's right in line with this? That's probably a subsidence. It's probably caved in, I would guess, within, say, 40, 50 feet. If this is still open, there's a collapse inside about 40, 50 feet later. Because I said this dot, again, is right alongside what I'm looking at, that straight line, because there's a bank here, so the tipple would be here, this would be the slope, and like I said, that's probably a collapse, more than likely. So yeah, that's something else on my radar now. I want to check that one out someday. Definitely a slope, no question about it. And just going back in time a little bit, when Chris and I were doing a video a while back, I'll just show you another example of how I found another slope. Right here. You see the bank, and you see the indent. And there's the indent. And then if you follow that straight up, see that hole here? This is on video, by the way. That on the Coal Crackers website. That's a subsidence right there, right? That little dot right there, and you see it's how it's right in line. It's right in line with the slope. Yeah, so there's a subsidence or a cave-in right there. But this is, again, this is what I look for when trying to find mines using LIDAR. I look for that telltale sign. I'll show you one more, which both Chris and I have already been in it. Where the heck is it? It's down here somewhere. Or did I pass it already? It doesn't, this one doesn't show up very well. Let me back out a little bit here. No, I went too far. Yeah, this one doesn't show up very well. It's kind of hard to notice, but it is there. Is this it here? Yeah, that's it right there. Again, same telltale signs. You got the hole, and you got the tipple, or the bank. Yeah, Chris and I have also been in this one as well. But that's how I find these mines with LIDAR. Pretty cool stuff, huh? As always, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along. please subscribe, and we'll see you all again later. Bye-bye.